This week, class, we will be writing a persuasive paper. What is persuasive writing? Persuasive writing is a writing where you are trying to convince someone to agree with you. We will be doing this in steps, and each day you'll have a piece of the paper to write, and by the end of the week you'll be able to put it all together. So let's begin with your first day's worth of work. Step 1. You will need to pick a topic. Obviously, this is going to have to be a topic that has somewhat two sides, and you want to feel rather strongly about this topic. Next, you're going to have to choose a position or a side to this. Again, it's really important here that you have a strong feeling about this topic and the position you're choosing. The next thing you have to consider is who your reader is. Is your reader going to be neutral, or is your reader going to lean to a side? In other words, will they kind of be agreeing with one way and you're trying to change their mind? Or maybe they're reading this and they haven't even thought of it and you're just going to tell them which way they should think. And the last step is to do a little bit of research. Okay, research will actually be on the second day's assignment, but I want you to be thinking about this because you're going to have to research 3 points. So on this first day's assignment, you're going to have to come up with these 3 points that go with your position. Okay, so let's take a look at this through an example. Okay, this is going to be what your homework assignment for today looks like. So let's go through it with an example and then you'll be ready to do yours. So I'm going to pick a topic. My topic is beards on men. Beards on men is sort of something that is popular right now. A lot of men are having big, long, shaggy beards. So I chose the topic beards on men. I'm now going to choose a position. Do I like beards and should men have beards, or do I not like beards and should men not have beards? So, I don't think men should grow beards. So in this part of your homework, you're just, picking a side. You do or you don't. I agree with it, I don't agree with it. I think they should, I think they shouldn't. However, whatever your topic leads you to there, you're just choosing a position, you're choosing a side. Okay, now I need to think about who my reader is. Is my reader going to be neutral or lean to a side? And here I'm going to put, due to the trendiness of beards, most men likely lean towards wanting a beard. So I'm assuming I'm going to be writing this to a group or even to a society that is looking favorably at beards right now. It's very trendy to have a big, long, scruffy beard. So basically, I am assuming that I'm pretty much, my reader is going to be leaning to the side of wanting a beard. So I'm definitely going to have to be pretty persuasive here to bring them around to the other side. Now, the 3 points I'm going to research in the next step, okay? This is just step 1, so I'm not researching yet. I'm just getting my ideas down. And then tomorrow in step 2, I'm going to have to research these ideas, but I want to know what I'm going to research, so I have to think ahead. So the first point that I'm going to research is full of dirt and germs. I'm just guessing that if these hairy beards are out there, they're probably getting full of dirt and germs and food and things like that. So I'm going to research that tomorrow. The second point is uncomfortable and unattractive. I'm not necessarily going for the uncomfortable for the man. I'm thinking more like when I hug you and you have this scratchy, scruffy beard, it's uncomfortable for me. Okay, and I'm going to do a little bit of research maybe on whether women think beards are attractive or not. And the third point is I am going to research how much work it is to keep up a nice, clean cut beard. Okay? So I'm assuming that it's a lot of work to take care of a beard. So those will be the 3 points that I'll be researching tomorrow. So today, for homework, you will need to fill out this paper with your own ideas, your own topic. If you have any questions, let me know.